Hi everyone, my name is Nick Russo and welcome to my course titled Securely Transitioning Enterprise Networks to IPv6. I've deployed an action-packed scenario involving a large corporate network, and it's our job to migrate the various parts of that network to IPv6. Because enterprise networks are so complex, we'll explore a variety of technologies to solve different use cases. We'll use NAT64 for direct access between IPv6 and IPv4 networks, ISATAP tunneling for rapid IPv6 client onboarding, 6RD tunneling for stateless WAN extension, dual stacking techniques such as SLAAC and DHCPv6, and IPv6 Internet Edge and first hop security techniques. After completing this course, you'll know how to design and implement dual-stacked designs in production using modern techniques. Before beginning this course, I'd recommend the following prerequisite courses. An introduction to IPv6 will give you the necessary knowledge to understand and apply the basic IPv6 concepts. You'll also need basic routing skills to master the transition technologies discussed. These two courses will help prepare you for the challenge ahead. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about securely transitioning enterprise networks to IPv6 at Pluralsight.